Okay, so the next problem statement is, yes, calculate the length of string entered by user. Calculate the length of string which is entered by the user. G user string denar. Okay, in last example, let's say I have given the string as my name. So I need to calculate the length of the string. म्हणजेच काय की याच्यामध्ये किती characters आहेत. Okay, so I need to print this. Okay, problem समजलाय तुम्हाला? Have you understood what is the problem statement? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will go to implement here. Now this will be the remain same, right? Up to this, let's say here I'm having, okay, I will use now 10 because the string of any character, any number of characters. So I will use here 10. Now for string length, to calculate the length, we have, yes, the inbuilt function as string strlen. Okay, so how to use it? Here I will take one variable as integer length. Now it's equal to 0 and length is equal to strlen in brackets the name of variable, that is name. Okay, printf of string to %t len. Okay, see the length of string is equal to 6. Okay, so I need to make slash in here so that it will be moved to next line. Hello. So welcome hello, that is what I have print the string and length of the string. Now check the characters 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, are you getting this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here okay, what I will do, I will make some change in the message. Length of the string, instead of string, okay, length of the string %s. ओके, स्ट्रिंग काय आहे ते मी ब्रॅकेट मध्ये डिस्प्ले करतो, इज इक्वल टू %d. ओके, सो and what is %s? Percentage is the value in the name. So I will not implement this. Now check when I execute, let's say hello, length of the string in bracket hello. कशाची लेंथ फाइंड आउट करायची मला, तर ह्या स्ट्रिंगची, which is equal to 5. Okay, so I will remove this line again. Okay, this is one part. Now I need to do comparison whether strings are equal or not. So here I will write one more problem statement. Or I will write in general, demonstrate demonstrate string library functions. So what are those? Just now we have gone through strlen. This is one function. Now we are having strcmp, that is for string comparison function. I am having string strcpy. This is one more function to copy string from one string to other string. And here I am having string cat concatenation, strcat. Okay, so I will give you, okay, this we have just now gone through to find the length. आता स्ट्रिंगची लेंथ फाइंड आउट करायची म्हणजे काय, हे फंक्शन लिहायचं आणि इथे आर्ग्युमेंट कुठलं पास करायचं, ज्या व्हेरिएबलला तुम्ही स्ट्रिंग ही इनपुट व्हॅल्यू घेतली. आता इनपुट व्हॅल्यू मी कुठल्या व्हेरिएबलला घेतली, या नेम व्हेरिएबलला. सो आय विल जस्ट पास द व्हॅल्यू, सॉरी, द नेम ऑफ दॅट व्हेरिएबल, and it will calculate, this will calculate the length from the string, and it will again assign this value to len. लेन नावाच्या व्हेरिएबलला काय करेल, पास करेल, आणि मी काय करतोय ते फक्त इथे प्रिंट करतोय. सिमिलरली व्हॉट इज देअर इन द कंपॅरिझन, स्ट्रिंग कंपॅरिझन म्हणजेच काय, लेट्स से आय एम हॅव्हिंग टू स्ट्रिंग्स हिअर. ओके, I will take the value from the user, or I will display it directly here. Okay. So that it will be there for your reference. Okay, now we will move to next point, that is string comparison. So I will here take two values again, character s1. Let's say s1 is my first string, which is of length, it may be like 15, is equal to, so I will pass the value as computer. Okay, this is my second character, sorry, second string of let's say 10 word. Okay, and here it is word, computer world. Okay, so this is my two strings. First string is computer, second string is world. So I need to do comparison whether this string is equal to this string. म्हणजेच काय, ह्या दोन्ही strings equal आहेत का. जर equal असेल, so it gives me the answer. So how we are going to do, if in bracket now strcmp, this comparison function is used. Now comparison function, if you check, check it here, comparison and open and close bracket. So here this round brackets, that means it is there for to accept the arguments. Arguments, so what is the arguments are there, I am storing the values of first string in s1 and in s2. So s1 comma s2, I need to do comparison of these two strings. या दोन स्ट्रिंगचं काय करायचं मला, comparison. So if this is true, not equal to 0. Okay, if it is not equal to 0, that means if it don't have the exact matching, then I will print the message, printf, I will print the message as s1 comma s2. Okay, So it will print this message. Now check, the strings are not equal. Okay, if I write here same like computer, now check, both are having the same, and okay, here I will write else. Okay, I will write the message as both strings are equal. Okay, the strings are equal. Okay, are you getting this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, if now have you understood this condition? See, in the comparison operation, it takes the value of S1, that is computer, and in previous case, I will tell you the previous case. Here it was like word. Okay. Okay, now check, here it compares the string 1 with the string 2. If now if this condition is true, जर हे जर matching असतील म्हणजे same values असतील, so it will be having the output as 1. याचा output काय येईल? 1 येईल, and 1 is not equal to 0. Okay, if the value from S1 variable, that is array variable, and value from S2 array variable, if it is same, हे जर दोन्ही same असेल तर याचा आउटपुट काय येईल? 0. and if 0 is not equal to 0, that means if this condition is false, so it will go to else and it will execute this. Okay, this is the string comparison. Now the next one is here. Okay,